Hello. In this video, I will give you the answer to two questions at once. First, I show the result of seed germination according to my method. As you can see, 100% seedlings of seed germination according to my method, as I showed on toilet paper, using cocoa substrate. And most importantly, as I said in that video, shoots will be simultaneous. And if you have not watched this video, then look in the upper right corner in the tips, I will leave a link. And the second is the answer to the main question. What to do with seedlings immediately after germination? Because especially with tomatoes, jokes are bad. If you do not adhere to what I will tell you now, you can lose the seedlings, or it will be very frail and eventually give a poor harvest. When you sowed in a container and if you planted, like me, different varieties. As you can see, I have it signed here, it could be the following. Due to the fact that the varieties are different, they germinate in different ways, some earlier and others later. As you can see, this particular variety stretched out a little, but it is connected. This is due to the fact that this variety began to break through the ground at the moment when they were turned off the lamps at night, and greatly stretched out. Therefore, the first thing to do with seedlings, as soon as in a large container at least one of the varieties began to sprout from the ground. The rest are underground. Then for tomatoes it is best to make round-the-clock illumination until all the seeds have sprouted. And then we do the right lighting for 14 hours a day, the seedlings should receive lighting. And if you see seedlings and turn off the backlight at night, then the seedlings will stretch out a lot. Tomatoes grow quickly and are very drawn to the light. And elongated seedlings can fall acres of soil and there will be no sense from such seedlings. But such a stretching is not terrible. Because when transplanting, I will deepen this seedling along the cotyledon leaves themselves, and here new roots will appear on the stem of the plant. The second thing to do after tomato seedlings is to control soil moisture. Don't over-moisturize. At this stage of growth, the seedlings do not yet have a root system. There is only one long spine, it does not need a lot of moisture, respectively. Even if the soil dries out a little on top, then inside the soil will be wet. And if you fill the soil with water, chlorosis will appear on the seedlings, the leaves will turn yellow, and the seedlings will die. One more thing. What I have already said in my videos, as soon as seedlings have emerged, they need light. But you do not need to put seedlings on the windowsill, because the air temperature on the windowsill is colder than in the room itself. For young sprouts, this is detrimental. They can freeze from running if the temperature is very low. And also, if you did not use a coconut substrate, the soil is moist and you put it on a cold windowsill, then you can know for sure that in such conditions fungi will develop very quickly, provoking the appearance of a black leg on seedlings. And they can destroy all your seedlings within a few days. And there is no escape from the black leg. Only prevention. It consists in not creating conditions favorable for the development of such a fungus. And this means that it is necessary until real leaves appear on the seedlings, until the seedlings get stronger. Keep it in an illuminated shelving unit. Well, the last thing, even now after the emergence of tomatoes, in no case should be done, is to make some kind of top dressing. In this state, top dressing seedlings will only do harm. The sprouts do not yet have a normal root system, there is no leaf apparatus, so there will be no point in top dressing. Seedlings will not be able to absorb them, and also in the future, top dressing applied at such a growth phase will remain in the ground. Due to the fact that you, for example, will have a lack of lighting, and an increased air temperature, then your seedlings will stretch out very much, and again, what will happen in the first case, as I said, it will simply fall on the ground under your weight, and if you will not take any further measures, namely transplanting it into separate pots in order to deepen its stem into the ground, then it will simply disappear from you. Therefore, we will make the first top dressing as 2 true leaves appear on the seedlings along with the cotyledons. I have recently shown how to properly feed seedlings. Also on my channel you can see interesting and working ways of feeding seedlings, before transplanting, after transplanting, as well as about sowing various seeds and growing various garden crops. All this you will find on my channel in the playlists. So friends to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos, bye.